the European Union has committed to a €90 billion loan to Ukraine, aimed at bolstering its military and economic resilience amid the ongoing conflict with Russia. This substantial financial support is expected to cover Ukraine's needs over the next 2 years, providing a significant boost to its defense capabilities. The loan underscores the EU's strategic interest in stabilizing the region and supporting Ukraine's sovereignty against Russian aggression. Meanwhile, the United States has announced an $11.1 billion arms package for Taiwan, focusing on asymmetric warfare capabilities to counter China's growing military influence. This package includes advanced weaponry designed to enhance Taiwan's defensive posture, reflecting the U.S.'s commitment to maintaining stability in the Asia-Pacific region. The move has drawn a sharp response from Beijing, highlighting the geopolitical tensions in the area. In a groundbreaking development, the U.S. Navy successfully launched a suicide drone from a ship at sea for the first time. This marks a significant advancement in autonomous naval operations, demonstrating the Navy's commitment to integrating cutting-edge technology into its fleet. The deployment of such drones is expected to enhance the Navy's operational capabilities, particularly in contested maritime environments. Spain has approved a $5.3 billion order for 100 Airbus helicopters, including the H145M and NH90 models. This acquisition is part of Spain's broader effort to modernize its military capabilities and enhance its air mobility. The deal with Airbus is expected to bolster the European aerospace industry's position in the global market, while also providing Spain with advanced rotary wing assets. Denmark has also taken steps to enhance its defense posture by contracting to purchase coastal defense missile systems from Kongsberg for over €100 million. These systems are intended to strengthen Denmark's control over its strategic coastal waters, reflecting a growing emphasis on maritime security in the face of regional threats. Turning to the markets, let's examine how these developments are influencing defense stocks. Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, saw its shares rise by 4.74% to $185.69. The company's focus on artificial intelligence, particularly its new master's program in AI for warfighter needs, is gaining traction. This initiative positions Palantir as a key player in the defense sector's digital transformation, potentially driving further growth as AI becomes integral to military operations. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, experienced a modest increase of 0.69%, closing at $230.69. The company's delivery of JLTV-mounted LOCUST laser weapon systems to the U.S. Army highlights its role in advancing counter-unmanned aircraft capabilities. This contract underscores AeroVironment's strategic importance in the evolving landscape of military technology, particularly in directed energy weapons. Amphenol Corporation, ticker symbol APH, rose by 2.45% to $129.61. The company's involvement in defense technology, particularly through its adjacent role in the MAPS Gen 2 program, is driving demand for its products. As the U.S. Army seeks new vendors for this program, Amphenol's expertise in electronic components positions it well to capture additional market share. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS, saw its stock increase by 2.34% to $71.40. The company's advancements in drone technology, as evidenced by the Navy's recent deployment of a suicide drone, are bolstering investor confidence. Kratos' focus on innovative unmanned systems aligns with the military's shift towards autonomous operations, offering significant growth potential. Rheinmetall AG, ticker symbol RHM.DE, remains steady at $1,616 following the award of a $1.9 billion SAR satellite deal. This venture with Iceye aims to secure NATO's eastern flank, reinforcing Rheinmetall's position as a leader in defense technology. The contract is expected to enhance the company's revenue streams and solidify its role in European defense initiatives. General Dynamics, ticker symbol GD, recorded a slight gain of 0.28%, closing at $337.34. The company's recent $285 million cybersecurity contract, which incorporates AI-powered zero-trust and post-quantum security measures, highlights its commitment to addressing emerging threats. This contract is likely to drive future growth as cybersecurity becomes increasingly critical to national defense. Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, saw a decline of 0.98% to $470.14. Despite the mixed signals, the company's demonstration of managing multi-class drone missions in a JADC2 setup showcases its innovation in integrated defense systems. While the stock faced pressure, Lockheed's strategic initiatives in drone technology could provide long-term benefits. Northrop Grumman, ticker symbol NOC, also experienced a decrease of 0.83%, closing at $559.52. The impact of the Taiwan arms deal has introduced caution among investors, reflecting geopolitical uncertainties. However, Northrop's involvement in this significant arms package underscores its pivotal role in U.S. defense exports. For investors, today's actionable takeaways: 1. Monitor AI advancements in defense for growth opportunities. 2. Geopolitical tensions may impact defense stock volatility. 3. Watch for drone tech integration in naval operations.